Ever struggled to create social media ads that actually convert? In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create scroll-stopping ads that drive real results, all using Team-GPT. This could literally transform your social media strategy, so stick around. Hi, my name is Martin, and I'm a marketer here at Team-GPT. Let's say I'm working with Airbnb to develop a social media advertising campaign for their summer getaways promotion. I'll show you how Team-GPT can help you create platform-specific ads that drive conversions and engagement. I'm already in my Airbnb social media ads project with project knowledge set up. Let me walk you through what I've included in the project knowledge. In project information, I've defined our advertising objectives for driving summer vacation bookings. For links, I've added some good ad examples. For documents, I've uploaded the Airbnb Summer Getaway social media advertising brief that outlines their target audiences, key messages, platform objectives, and creative direction. First, I'll click on Web. Web browsing allows me to search the internet in real time without leaving Team-GPT. I'll research the latest social media advertising trends and create approaches that are driving results in the travel industry. So we'll use this prompt, which is to research the most effective social media ad formats and creative approaches for travel bookings in 2025. We'll paste that and we'll wait for the AI to generate us some results. As you can see, it's generating a lot of useful stuff that we can use as context in our campaign. We'll wait for it to finish up. And now what we can do is copy the public link for the chat, and we can use this as context. So we copy it and we go back to our shared project. Now I'll use the prompt builder to develop our campaign strategy. The prompt builder is a tool that helps us create more effective prompts by using questions about specific needs. I'll describe my task. What I want to do is I need to develop a multi-platform social media advertising strategy for Airbnb, a summer campaign that drives bookings across Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest. Obviously, you can add any platform you want here. So we'll execute this. We'll wait for it to finish. Here we're asked for a few clarifying questions. You can follow up here with additional context. After answering these questions, I can get a more comprehensive strategy that outlines the approach for each platform, audience, recommendations, budget, etc., etc. You can generate additional questions as well. For now, we'll just hit continue, and we see that we've generated the prompt. And what we're going to do is we're going to save it in our prompt library. We're going to go back to our project. So now that we're back to our project, I'll call out with / the saved prompt that we already have beforehand. So it's platform-specific ads. I will type in for platform, and let's say I want to do Instagram. For audience, let's say young adventurers. For objective, let's say summer vacation booking. We'll continue and apply that to our prompt. And what I'll ask the AI to do is to generate me 5 different copies based on this. We'll hit go with our project knowledge loaded up. And we'll see now that the AI will generate us 5 different concepts that we can keep repeating and reusing for each platform and each audience whenever we need it for a more comprehensive ad concept and ad setup. Now what we can do, we've seen that the AI generated us a lot of stuff. What we can do now is we can use a very cool Team-GPT feature, which is turn to page right here in the bottom. When we click it, the page editor, I can organize the ad concepts by platform, visual mockups, and ensure everything is perfect and aligned with our Airbnb brand guidelines. And there we have it, a complete set of platform-specific social media ads that will help Airbnb drive summer vacation bookings across multiple channels and audience segments. Thanks for watching.